Windstream Internet Provider Honest Review. Watch before using. Welcome to our honest review of Windstream Internet Provider. If you're considering Windstream, here's what you need to know before signing up. Windstream offers DSL, fiber, and fixed wireless internet services, aiming to provide options for both rural and urban customers. Their kinetic fiber plans are their standout feature, boasting speeds up to 2 GB/s in select areas. This makes them a solid choice for households with high bandwidth needs like streaming, gaming, or working from home. However, their DSL service, still prominent in rural regions, delivers significantly slower speeds, often capped at 100 Mbps or lower, which may not meet modern connectivity demands. Windstream's plans come with no data caps, which is a major plus for heavy internet users. Their pricing is competitive, with promotional rates starting at $39.99 per month, but be aware that prices may increase after the first 12 months. The equipment rental fee is $9.99 monthly, though you can use your own compatible modem to save costs. Customer service is a mixed bag. Some users report helpful support, while others complain about long wait times and unresolved issues. Windstream has also been criticized for billing discrepancies, so it's crucial to review your statements regularly. One major selling point is their availability in underserved rural areas where options are limited, but the performance of their DSL service in these regions often leaves much to be desired. On the other hand, their fiber service competes well with top-tier providers in urban areas, offering excellent reliability and low latency. Installation is straightforward, with professional setup and self-install options available, though professional installation may come with additional fees. Security features like Kinetic Secure are available for an extra cost, offering parental controls, device protection, and identity theft monitoring, which might appeal to families. However, these add-ons can quickly inflate your bill, so weigh their value carefully. In summary, Windstream is best suited for customers in rural areas with few alternatives, or those in cities where kinetic fiber is available. If you need reliable, high-speed internet and live in a fiber-served area, it's worth considering. But if you're stuck with their DSL option or prioritize top-tier customer support, you might want to explore other providers. Always confirm service availability and speeds in your area before committing. Hopefully, this review helps you make an informed decision. If you've had experience with Windstream, share your thoughts in the comments below.